Now let's do the sixth sum, which is how many seconds does one day have? So our first statement would be how many seconds does 1 hour have? 1 hour has 3600 seconds. We know this because 1 minute has 60 seconds and 60 minutes make 1 hour. So we simply have to do 60 into 60. So that gives us how many seconds 1 hour has. Next, as we know, 1 day has 24 hours. So next we will write 1 day. We will write 3600 into 24. That will give us how many seconds 1 day has. So let's perform the multiplication. We will write 24 into 36 and then add the 2 zeros in the last. So let's start. 36 into 4. 6 4s are 24, 2 carry over, and 3 plus 2, 3 into 4 is 12. So 12 plus 2 is equal to 14. Next we will do 36 into 2. So we'll add in 0 and then 6 into 2, which is equal to 12. So we'll write 2, 1 carry over, and 2 3s are 6. So 6 plus 1 is 7. So the answer is 720. Now we need to add both of them. So 4 plus 0 is 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. So in tens place we will write 6. Then we have 7 plus 1, which is equal to 8. So the answer is 864. Not to forget, we need to add 2 more zeros. So the answer will become 86400. So 1 day has 86400 seconds. Next we will do a dealer purchases 250 bicycles at rupees 3050 each. How much amount does the dealer pay? So he buys 250 bicycles at 3050 each. So if we need to find the amount in total he paid, then we need to do 250 into 3050. So we'll write amount purchased for one bicycle. Will be equal to 3050. Next we will do amount paid, amount purchased for 250 bicycles. Will be equal to 3050 into 250. Then we need to multiply. So first we will do 3050 into 250. Now we will remove these 2 zeros and add 2 zeros at the end. So let's start. 305 into 5. 5 5s are 25. 2 carry over, so that will be 2. Then we have 3 into 5, 3 into 5, which is 15. Next we will do 305 into 20 by first adding a 0, and then 5 into 2 is 10 plus 1, which is 0. So then carry over 1 and then 1 over here. Then last will be left 3 into 2, which is 6. So now we need to add both of them. The first one will be 5 because 5 plus 0 is equal to 5. Then tens place 2 plus 0 is equal to 2. Then 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. And 6 plus 1 is equal to 7. Then we will add our two zeros which we removed first. So our final answer is 7,62,500 rupees. Now let's solve some extra questions and then mental math. So first is a factory produces 650 toys every day. How many toys will be produced in the month of June? Now first we need to calculate how many days are in the month of June. We know that June has 30 days. That means we need to do 650 into 30 equal to 19,500. So the factory produces 19,500 toys. Next we'll do mental maths. Find the product of any two even numbers. Is the product an even number or an odd number? Now we need to find a product of any two even numbers. As we have learnt, even numbers are numbers like 2, 4, 6, 8 which are divisible by 2. So let's take two random even numbers, which is, let's say 2 and 4. Now when we multiply 2 into 4, we get 8. So we'll write 2 into 4, which is equal to 8. Hence, the product, which is 8, is even. Now find the product of any two odd numbers. Is it an even number or an odd number? Now odd numbers are numbers like 1, 3, 5, etc. So there we will do 3 into 5. 3 into 5, which is equal to 15. Hence, product is odd. Find the product of an even number and an odd number. Is the product an even number or an odd number? Now we have to multiply an even number into an odd number. Let's take 2, which is even, and into 3, which is odd. That is equal to 6. So the product is even. So as we have learnt, when we multiply even into even, it's equal to even. Odd into odd is equal to odd. But when we do even into odd, the product is even. Now find the product of any two consecutive numbers. Any two consecutive numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's take 3 and 4. 3 into 4, it's equal to 12. Now also we see the product is even. So here too the product is even.